removed now. Now we are removing the spinneret plate. The screws on both sides of the spinneret must be lightly removed before the spinneret can be removed. The purpose of remove the spinneret is because it is the first time that the machine is turned on. There may have dirt in the machine and will block the hull. So we need to remove the spinneret first, drain the material first, and clean the screw runner and mold by material. Then install the spinneret after the cleaning. The screws on both sides must be removed. The screws are fixed at both ends here, and both ends are lifted by a person. And the two screws in the middle need to be removed finally, so that the two ends are lifted. Once the middle screw is loosened, put it down as a hull. In this process, the spinneret hull must be protected. Don't have any damage. Metal parts must not be touched. Once damaged, the hull is scrapped. Slow down, don't worry. Put the face side up. The spinneret hull should not face downward. The spinneret hull must be upward. Now the extruder is started. Let the raw materials drain oil and debris from the screw and mold first. After cleaning, we start to install the spinneret plate and air knife. Now it is draining. During this period, the air fan can be turned off to prevent this material from being burnt on paper. The red mesh belt of the web forming machine should be blocked with something to prevent the material from floating there and burning the mesh belt. This material is very hot. People must stay away. Check whether there are too many bubbles in the mold. It must be flushed very cleanly. After a while, stop the machine, install the spinneret, adjust the gap of the air knife, and then start the machine. In the process of this material flowing out, we have to see if there are bubbles. If there are bubbles, it means that it still needs extruding. Until there are no bubbles and no black spots, then we can stop the machine. After the spinneret is removed, a filter screen should be placed inside. There are two slivers in it. Take the middle one out. Watch the video. The filter screen should be cut into the same shape as mine, and then placed in the middle. And then put the steering ring on it. Watch the video. When installing the spinneret, the temperature of the mold must be cooled down. Because the spinneret is cold, the mold must be cold. If the mold is hot and the spinneret is cold, there will be a gap after installation. It is the principle of thermal expansion and construction. So after there is no material inside, we must turn down the temperature. The temperature should be below 100 degrees, and then we install the spinneret. That is, the temperature of the mold and the spinneret are similar. Then it can seal better. The gap will be very small.